anyways, Joey, so it's good seeing you, man. You know, I'm good. You?
I'm feeling pretty good, man.
You got the big Iron Man match.
I know, man.
You been working out?
I have, man.
I mean, I'm sure Samson hasn't. I mean, don't tell him I said.
You know what, man? I thought about it.
Big.
I don't want 30 minutes for him to run around. I want to take it to him for 30 minutes.
Sure, that would be smart.
He's been running. I've been building up, though. You know?
That's, yeah.
Kind of reversing the psychology.
I gotcha. Well, I'm gonna stop and get something to drink here real cool.
Hey, man, I think there's like Monster and water in here somewhere.
Cool. All right. Well, hey, I'll talk to you later on. Hey!
You piece of crap!
Hey!
Hey, Jock! You want some of this? 30 minutes? You want 30 minutes? With me? You're as good as dead. You want this? Joey, right here. Just so you see it. You stay away, I will sue you. Right here. You want this?
Come on, hey!
Right at you!
Hey!
Give me my belt! I'll see you. Get my freaking belt. Sue you freaking rear end.
Yes. Got out of nowhere, man.
It's like at the dotted line here. It's professional everything.
That signature's awful sloppy, though.
Or it's like a one-on in West Virginia. You gonna sign the thing or what?
I'm gonna sign it. Where's that pen at?
The hell are you, Joey? Freaking snow. Where the hell are we?
Hey, I'll see you later, brother. Info.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't see him anywhere. You're good.
Thank you. I love you.
Love you.
Oh my God, he scared me. I think I made it.
Mr. Samson!
Oh, what? What do you want? What do you want?
Can I have your autograph?
How much money you got on you? You're coming up to me and wanting money from me?
No, that's my autograph.
You want?
Your autograph.
You gotta come. Here, I'll give you autograph to you. What's your name?
Dawson?
Here, right there. Go get your freaking pen. Get out of here, boy. Freaking kids. Son of a, I hate this town. Oh, what a night, what a night. Jock Samson is on E! Hollywood True Story after the beating that he just gave Joey Vengeance. Wherever in the hell we are, Jock Samson is beating people up. He's sleeping with his best friend, the Ohio Heritage Champion. He never goes anywhere without it, baby. And when Jock Samson don't go anywhere, E! True Hollywood Story follows Jock Samson. Jock Samson having some beer, having some good times. I've got some ladies on the way. The ladies want to hang out with the E! Hollywood True Story. The main event, Jock Samson, the Ohio Heritage Champion for the rest of his life. I am the champion for as long as I want. So let's sit back, watch some ESPN and wait on the ladies. What could that be? I wonder what it could be. I'll tell you what it is. Let me put my flip-flops on me because I don't want to get a blister. See what it is, baby. Girls want to have a night with the Jock. Hello. Hey, Jock Samson. You already knew that though, didn't you? I did. She did. Come on in here. Don't mind the camera. It's just E! Hollywood True Story. Doing the night on the Jock. Let's do this right here. Let's have a seat. You can sit down next to my belt, but do not touch it, okay? That's my belt. Let's sit down. Do not touch the belt.
I'm not here to sit. How about you lay down?
You want me to lay down?
I'm here to
alleviate some stress,
You want to help Jock get a little friction out?
ease some tension.
Okay, I think I can do that. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. What did you say your name was again?
Jamie.
Jamie, that's fantastic. I like your name. It didn't really matter which name it is. You may lay down right here?
I do.
I'm going to take my sunglasses off. I'm going to take my head. I'm even going to take my headband off. Because I don't want any restrictions. Come here, babe. Lay down, you can watch the whole
thing. I want you to
thing.
get comfortable.
Oh, I think I will. Oh, God bless you. You must go to church on Sundays.
Sometimes. You have enough pillows?
Oh, I have quite a bit.
You sure you're comfy?
I feel good.
Okay, I'm gonna go freshen up real quick.
Okay, I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna just get live.
I'm gonna warm my hands.
I'm gonna get in my positive mode.
Okay, I'm gonna get some lotion. Be right back.
Okay, put some lotion on my skin.
Don't go anywhere.
Okay, I promise. I won't even lift up. Oh man, I'll tell you, Jock. They want Jock Samson 24/7. I'm gonna tell you right now, I am a beastly man. She has no idea what's in store for her tonight. Oh man, she probably liked my underwear. They're really nice. Oh, I can't wait for this. Oh my Lord, hey baby. Oh. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's even better than I thought. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You have the silkiest hands I've ever felt in my entire life. Oh.
Thanks, Jock.
What the hell? What the hell? Joey! Oh God! Oh! 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 Oh God! Oh! Oh! Oh God! Oh! 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 No! Let him here, buddy! I'm out up here! Oh! 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 Oh!
You want your contract?
Oh! Oh God!
There's your contract, piece of crap.
Oh God!
And one last one for good measure.
Oh God!
See you on the 19th, you piece of crap.
Oh! 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 Oh God! The hell!